Restoring sending privileges on Spotify can help you share your music and playlists with friends again. Follow these steps to regain those privileges. Step 1. Open Spotify app. Launch the Spotify app on your device. Ensure you are logged into the account that you want to restore sending privileges for. Step 2. Access settings. Navigate to the settings menu. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile picture or the gear icon in the top right corner of the app. Step 3. Check privacy settings. In the settings menu, look for the privacy or social settings section. Here, you will find options related to sharing and sending music. Step 4. Adjust sending privileges. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Save changes and restart. Make sure to save any changes you made. Close the app and restart it to ensure the new settings take effect. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on Spotify. Enjoy sharing your favorite music with friends again.